So from a very bullish update for Dogecoin coming from Robinhood and rising crypto adoption to important updates and data, there is a lot to talk about in this video. So let's talk about it. So we are currently seeing sideways movement in the crypto market, and some cryptos are still trading in the red with some losses. We know that there is still some uncertainty in the market amid this war, so I think we may see more consolidation in the coming days as investors are still in fear and uncertainty. We can see here that the crypto fear and greed index has returned to the extreme fear zone, and it has dropped towards the 21 level during the last 24 hours. So this clearly means that investors are worried about getting into the market due to this global geopolitical conflict. Now, I'll talk about some important data, updates, and price analysis of Bitcoin, Doge, and others. But let's first sum to Robinhood's massive update for Dogecoin. So what we are seeing is that Robinhood now holds over 1/3 of the total Dogecoin amount in circulation on behalf of its investors. The company is currently holding about $5 billion worth of Dogecoin. That constitutes 42 billion coins, and this is more than 31% of the Doge supply in circulation. Moreover, Robinhood is storing that many Dogecoins on 2 crypto wallets using 8 known addresses. It is holding Dogecoin on behalf of its customers. So this is a critical development, as the majority of Doge holders are now trading on Robinhood. And this is critical for Dogecoin, as we already know that Robinhood is going to come up with some massive updates this year. And these updates are expected to help Doge gain some momentum in terms of price and adoption. A very positive thing for Dogecoin is that Robinhood has also announced that it is going to expand its crypto offerings. And the firm has revealed that it has set some aggressive goals to start opening its crypto platform up to customers internationally in 2022. So since Dogecoin is already very popular on Robinhood, if the trading platform goes global, more people will get on board, and we can expect new investors to come to Dogecoin. Similarly, we also know that the Robinhood Wallets program has recently entered the beta phase. Interestingly, the waiting list for these wallets that can be used to store, buy, and sell Dogecoin has swelled to over 2 million in a very short time. So I think that this upsurge in interest in the crypto wallets is going to be very positive for Dogecoin. This is because many of Robinhood's clients prefer Dogecoin, so they are going to prefer Doge with these wallets as well. And most importantly, holders will be able to swap assets on decentralized exchanges or engage in any number of decentralized finance applications. Now another aspect of this update is that Elon Musk believes that this wallet feature from Robinhood is very important and it is very beneficial for Dogecoin. I think that Musk believes that Robinhood wallets will be a huge deal for Dogecoin, since it will no longer be viewed as simply a speculative investment by the users of Robinhood. And another very important thing to note here is that this wallet feature makes Dogecoin a truly decentralized crypto. So as we have just seen that Robinhood is currently holding more than 30% of Dogecoin's supply. It is showing us that a majority of Robinhood users are Doge holders and they are preferring Dogecoin. So as I said, when Robinhood officially launches its international services along with the wallets program, then more users will come to Dogecoin. So I believe that this huge supply of Doge on Robinhood, the upcoming wallet programs, and Robinhood's entry into the international markets is going to favor Dogecoin and its holders in the long term. And now, there is another very important and very positive update for it. So we are now seeing that crypto services provider BlockFi has recently accepted Dogecoin and some other cryptos. They are now available for all BlockFi clients to buy, sell, and trade on the platform. All clients have instant access to Dogecoin, helping them diversify their portfolios. Moreover, non-US clients of BlockFi will be able to earn crypto interest on Dogecoin. So this is positive news, as it will bring a lot more new investors to Dogecoin, and I think it is going to inject some positive momentum over the long term. And with that being said, let's come to Dogecoin's current price movements. So Doge has been moving sideways for some days now, and as of now, the overall sentiment is looking bearish for it. We can see here that it has been moving below its moving averages for some days now, and this is exactly why it has been difficult for it to find any significant pace. Moreover, the daily RSI value has gone down as well and is trading near the underbought limit now, as the score is touching index 37. So all this suggests that the short-term outlook for Doge is bearish, and we may see the continuation of this consolidation in the coming trading sessions. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So even after trading back in the green, the overall trend for Bitcoin is still pretty sluggish. It has been hovering around the 38K price level while trying to break above the support at 39K. So what it means is that Bitcoin is at a crucial stage right now, and if it fails to break above this level, we may see it slide down from here. However, a breakout at the overhead resistance will signal the resumption of upside momentum. Now we can see here that a recent report from Glassnode Insights is stating that Bitcoin has reached a delicate equilibrium. It is highlighting that as Bitcoin is reaching lows, buyers are trying to absorb bears and establish new support. However, selling pressure has been persistent as speculators dump their Bitcoin, probably due to the current macroeconomic environment. However, the good thing is that amid this sell-off from some holders, retail investors have been accumulating more coins. Retail investors are now holding more Bitcoin than ever before, and the amount of Bitcoin held by retail investors or entities with a balance between 0.1 and 1 Bitcoin is currently at an all-time high of 780,000 Bitcoin. Moreover, the group holding between $4K to $40K worth of Bitcoin was the fastest grower over the past month. The intelligence company also says that it is seeing signs of renewed interest from retail investors amid this downtrend in the market. We can see here that the number of addresses holding for more than 30 days is rapidly increasing in correlation with the price appreciation of Bitcoin. Meanwhile, we are now seeing that there have been total net outflows of about 46K Bitcoin from all crypto exchanges since last July. And Glassnode attributes the current relatively low inflows to the scale of market uncertainty at present. It suggests that the crypto trading market has shifted to derivatives trading over spot sales in order to hedge risk. It also suggests that long-term holders are growing tired of selling, even though we are yet to see a major capitulation event as was seen at previous cyclical bottoms. So this is actually bullish for Bitcoin, and it is just another indicator that long-term holders have been avoiding selling their coins. Meanwhile, Alex Mashinsky, CEO of lending platform Celsius Network, is still bullish on Bitcoin. He recently claimed that Bitcoin had found strong support around 30K as the price responded to the news of Russia invading Ukraine. He said that the global conflict had likely spooked investors and was at the root of Bitcoin's sudden price fall. He further claimed that most of the traders who wanted to get out were wiped away in the dip, leaving behind buyers who were ready to capitalize on the price discount. However, he is confident that the price will rebound, going even higher than previous levels. And now, let's come to Ethereum for a minute. So Ethereum is also moving sideways along with the overall crypto market, and it appears that things may get a lot uglier from here. This is because on-chain data is pointing to significant downside pressure for ETH. We can see here that Ethereum's net flows on exchanges show that market participants are moving it onto exchanges, and it is suggesting that sell-side demand may be outpacing buy-side demand. So if this trend continues from here, Ethereum's price may drop as immediately marketable supply increases. And now, while the market has been struggling to move to the upside, we are still seeing some positive updates. For example, crypto exchange Binance has just announced the launch of its new official fiat-to-crypto payments provider. The platform named Bifinity will connect millions of users, businesses, and clients to the blockchain and crypto world. The most important thing to note here is that it will support seamless transactions and payment, and businesses will then be able to accept payments and transactions in different cryptos like Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So this is a very positive development since it can surge crypto adoption over the years. And as per another update, we are now seeing the changing investment landscape of India as younger generations turn to Bitcoin and other cryptos. As per Swati Daga, the founder of food company The Good Fat, this sentiment continues to rise as younger generations find these new investment strategies to be far more compelling. Besides, estimates suggest that 20 million of the 750 million internet users currently hold some form of crypto in India. So this is yet another positive news for cryptos, and this is why I always believe that cryptos are going to grow even if their prices are on the downside at the moment. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen how Robinhood's upcoming projects are going to act as massive catalysts for its price. Besides, we have also seen growing crypto adoption even during the most depressing times in the market. So this makes me believe that Doge and cryptos are going to grow over the long term, and we need to wait for it. In any case, what are your thoughts on this?